These slides are here. Yeah. I got my babies. Yes. Now I need me another pair. Woo woo. Got another pair to add to my collection. I've been wanting these. Yeah. Got the new Bel Air J's. Hoo. Fire. Yes. My shoes from ASOS finally came. I thought they lost them. Got them in blush pink and this beautiful blue. So cute. Love these. My sneakers came. Oh, they are beautiful. They are gorgeous. So cute. Yes. Can't wait to wear these. Love these knockoff version of the Prada boots. Prada boots cost about $1,300. Got these for like $50. Ha ha ha. A chance to show you guys my off-white sneakers that I got. I got these off-whites.